Welcome back to the chapter 4, and we are going to learn today plantation farming. We know that plantation farming is a type of commercial farming. Commercial farming means crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market and to get benefit. So the area cultivated and the amount of capital used is large, and most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming is important in developed countries. So today we are going to learn plantation farming. It is a type of commercial farming. Only single crop is grown. Examples are tea, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, rubber, banana or cotton. These all are examples of plantation farming. Large amount of labor is required and capital also much required. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factories. The development of a transport network is essential. Why? Because the plant, the sugarcane, has to be needed to reach to the market soon. Otherwise, the juice will be dry and the sugar which could be produced could be less. So, it is essential. A good network of transport, or we can say connectivity to roadways or railways, is important. Major plantations are found in tropical regions or of the world. Now we can see some examples. This is plantation of rubber which is found in Malaysia basically. We can also see cinnamon which is called dalchini. This is cinnamon plant. This is cardamom. Cardamom means elaichi. It is also example of commercial farming, plantation farming. And this is black pepper, plant of black pepper. Yes, it is visible. This is cardamom, that is Cardamom Hills is also in southern part of our country. And this is cloves, long, which is called long. This is plant of cloves. Cinnamon, and here it is spice, other spices, and here rubber is there. We can see rubber. Rubber is produced. It has a small cut, and a pan is there where it is stored, where the milk of rubber plant is stored. Now here we can see cashew. This is cashew, kaju, and some characteristics are mentioned here. A single crop is grown, planted in neat. These are actually planted in rows, and well developed network of communication transportation must be there. Okay, so this is all about plantation farming. This is sugarcane. We can see the farm of sugarcane here. Plantation farming, example of plantation farming. And this is tea garden in Assam, in southern part of India, Munnar tea garden, Darjeeling in West Bengal. So this is example of plantation farming. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.